इंडियन मेडिकल असोसिएशन आणि गोंय राज्य भलायकी संचालनालय हांच्या जोड पालवान गोंयांतले गर्भलिंग प्रशिक्षण आनी ताज्यो पद्दती ह्या विशयाचेर भासाभास आनी सुचोवणी आयकुपाक भलायकी खात्याच्या सभाघरांत कार्यशाळेचें आयोजन केल्लें. आरडेस्को खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकर.
The reports to higher authorities, to central authorities regarding this act. For appropriate authorities for both are different. MTP Act and CPNDT Act. And MTP is our superintendent, North and South District Hospital, and for CPNDT for the collectors, they are appropriate authorities.
Today we are having a CME on PCPNDT, which is about prenatal sex determination, which is a crime, and we want to talk about it. We are having this in collaboration with Directorate of Health Services, and we want to come out with some other idea. We have seen that in spite of all this, the female birth rate is going down. At present, it is about 1,000 male births as to 916 female births. So we are doing this program for last so many. This act is in enforcement since 1994. So in last 5 years, we have seen that the female birth rate is coming down. So in spite of doing all the IC programs and this CMEs of this level, it is not increasing. So we want to speculate what could be the causes of it and how we can overcome it. I want to put forward a new idea which is also at level of national IME, which is they have also said it is good that we have to make sex determination of all the pregnancies. And suppose it is a female fetus which they see, then the pregnant lady has to be tracked till the delivery. So we can know what is the outcome of the pregnancy, whether there is any inadvertent situation like abortion, whether it is a natural abortion or it is a termination of pregnancy, and what reasons are there for that termination. So this is also a good idea. Even Mrs. Maneka Gandhi has put forward this idea.